Today we're going to go through the E&P hydraulic levelling system on the Inos Touring Caravan. We need our remote, which we're going to use to level the van. So if we turn this on the bottom left corner is a down arrow that says auto. We press this once and this is then going to send all the legs down to level the van. Sometimes it comes up with a red LED with a picture of a jockey wheel. This indicates that the jockey wheel is too high before we can start the levelling process. So in this instance, we need to lower it right down before we start the rest of the process. Now the jockey wheel is nice and low, we can try again and press auto level. Now the process is underway. We can let it do its thing, where the centre rams go down. That stabilises the van side to side. It will then send the front legs down to level front to back. And once it's happy, it sends the back legs down to stabilise the van. If you forget your remote for the levelling system, in the locker left of the main door, we have a control panel where we can automatically level the van, lift the legs up if we need to, and then turn off the system from here as well. Now we're all set up and levelled, all you need to do is connect your water, plug your electric in, and then put the slide out. After that, you can relax and enjoy yourself. Before you leave site, you need to retract your levelling legs. So using your remote, turn the power button on, and then using the bottom right with the up arrow, press that and that will retract all the legs.